If you're looking to retire somewhere in the Cape Cod, or maybe you're looking for a vacation home, today I'm back in Cape Cod, and I am in Bourne, Massachusetts, in Cape Cod today. I got this nice little house that I want to show you, and it does have 3 bedrooms, a little bit under 1,500 square footage, and also it does have 2 full bathrooms. So if you're looking for maybe like a vacation home, something that is not crazy expensive in the Cape Cod area, as you know, Cape Cod, it does get really expensive, but this one is a little bit under 600,000, and you know, it could be a nice vacation home, or maybe you're looking to retire in the Cape Cod area, and also you're not too far from the golf course, which is really nice, and then you have like Dunkin' Donuts down the street, and then you have the highway. And if you're not familiar with the Bourne Cape Cod, which is here's not too far from Falmouth, which is about 20 minutes from Falmouth, then about 45 minutes to Provincetown. And Cape Cod summertime is really nice. So let me show you the inside, then we kind of check the outside. And you know, I'm going to do a quick tour. It's not a massive home here, so let me show you the inside. So let's get started. And real quick, let me give you a little bit of the tour of the outside. You can see the road here is nice and quiet. And with the Cape Cod, you have a lot of trees, you have a lot of the green space. So if you like to have that nice, quiet, fresh air, and you like to be surrounded by all the trees, I highly recommend the Cape Cod area. And this is the front of the house. So you do have your nice landscaping. It does need a little bit of work. And you can see the house is not a massive, pretty small house here. So maybe if you're just a young couple, or maybe someone looking to retire, this could be a perfect home. So let's go inside from the front door. Once you go inside, so you do have your nice little setup for the living room. Not a massive, you got a nice fireplace, which is really nice. And this home, I believe, was built in 1983. And so nice fireplace, and got a nice fresh painting. It's kind of like a brown painting. And you have the bedrooms upstairs, and I think you have some bedrooms downstairs as well. And also you have the basement, which is pretty high. You can finish in the future if you'd like. And you have baseboard heating throughout the whole house. So the living room is not a massive, it's not that big, and so it's not so the living room is not that big. So I'll probably maybe put like a sectional, maybe probably put a little sofa over there, and maybe another one. I mean, if you have a big sectional, I don't think you'll be able to fit. And here's the steps to go upstairs, which we're gonna go there in a little bit. So let's check out the kitchen and the bathroom. So this home is, it's not massive. So here you have your full bathroom downstairs. And you have nice glass sliding door. And they actually just cut the price by $10,000 in this house. And if you want to see this house in person, or if you want to see it, a lot of the time I do with my clients, we do like FaceTime. I do work with the people coming from different states, different area. We can always FaceTime as well. And if you have any question, reach out to my team. You can give us a call, text, email. All the information will be in the description. So decent sized bathroom, not the biggest, but for this size of this house, I think it's pretty decent. And right here you have the dining room. Pretty decent sized dining room. I mean, again, not the biggest. This house is not a massive home. I actually did one in Falmouth. If you haven't seen that one is a massive home. That has like over 5 bedrooms, but of course it's going to be way more money. But this is perfect for someone that maybe is looking to retire, someone that doesn't need like a big space. All they need is just a small house. Then this would be good. This would be perfect. So the kitchen, got a nice kitchen, decent sized kitchen. You could probably fit, I would say, maybe like a small kitchen island could fit in the middle over there, or maybe like a small table. And it doesn't come with the fridge, but you do have the rest of the appliances. You have your oven over here, Whirlpool, pretty decent brand. You have over the range microwave, which is brand new microwave, and then you have shaker cabinets, pretty decent cabinets, white shaker cabinets, which is here in Massachusetts. You know, you see a lot of these white cabinets. They're very popular. I mean, I like white cabinets, but sometimes people, they just might be tired of seeing white cabinets. I mean, you can see in all of my videos, most of the home tours I do, you can see most of them, they do have white cabinets in Massachusetts. And you have, this is electric oven, pretty electric range, and you have grounded tea countertop. You have more space, more closet, you know, decent sized kitchen, not a massive kitchen. And of course you have your dishwasher machine, Whirlpool brand new, ready to go. This home is vacant, and like I said, if you want to see this home in person, reach out to me, and we're gonna check out the rooms upstairs, and there's a master bedroom, and then we'll check out the yard. Just got a decent yard. And before we head to the yard, no, actually let's check out the rooms. A lot of the time when clients reach out to me, they gotta have good sized bedroom, and got a little pantry over here, and this is the door to go to the basement. I'm gonna check that out in a little bit. That's where they keep all the furnaces. And so you have one bedroom in here downstairs, decent sized bedroom, carpet, gray carpet in the bedroom. I'm not a big fan of carpet, but I think in the bedroom it's not that bad. And you have a nice sliding door closet. I think it's pretty decent sized closet. It's not the biggest. And the other thing I don't see here is the light. And another thing that I don't see in this bedroom, I don't see the light. Usually like in the ceiling you'll see the light, or maybe like around the room on the side, but I don't see it. I can't find it anywhere. I'm not sure if they didn't put the light for some reason, but in this bedroom I did not see the light at all. Now, so you got this one room down here, so let's head upstairs. I think that's where you're gonna find two more bedrooms. Then there's one master bedroom upstairs, and there's also a full bathroom upstairs. So let's go and check it out. And they have carpet on the stairs. I mean, it's pretty clean. The house is pretty clean, it's fresh, nice painting. It's moving ready. All you gotta do is bring your stuff. And so right here you have the master bedroom with a carpet inside, but it is a decent sized bedroom. You could fit a king size bed here, and the ceiling is pretty high. And you have two windows, and the windows too are in pretty decent shape, so you don't have to worry about that. Brand new windows. And you are surrounded by some trees, so you might have to cut the trees, especially during the summertime. So you got a lot of trees around it. And you have decent sized closets with a sliding door. It's not a massive, but it's a pretty decent size. I mean, you can fit some clothes and shoes in there. And let's check out the bathroom that you have upstairs. It's a little bit smaller than the one downstairs. So you have the bathroom, which is it's not a massive, but you do have the shower. You have the tub here. So you do have two full bathrooms. So if someone is using downstairs, and then you could definitely use the bathroom upstairs. And right here you have another bedroom. Again, pretty decent sized bedroom. You have baseboard heating. So you will get like a nice heating, because you know here in Cape Cod during the winter time it does get really cold. Summertime is nice, but winter time too, it does get really cold. So I mean, a lot of the time I get people reach out to me, you know, looking for something in the Cape Cod area, but it's kind of more for like a vacation home, or I have people that they put it like on Airbnb. Some people just come for summertime, and then winter time they just either rent it out or they just use it for vacation home. Because winter time here in Cape Cod, there's not much to do. I mean, that's one of the downside of the living in Cape Cod. I think, in my opinion, winter time it does get really cold, so there's not really much to do. But summertime is really nice. So now Let's check out the basement real quick, kind of show you. I mean, there's not much in the basement, but if you want to finish it in the future, maybe make extra space. It has pretty good height. Let me flip the camera. I mean, I gotta pay attention so I don't fall over here. So here in the basement, you can see they keep all the furnaces here, and it does use the oil for the heating, which is sometimes that could be more expensive than the gas. What I see some people sometimes they convert it into gas. That's what I had at my house. I had the oil, but I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of pain in the butt using the oil. It is way more expensive than the gas, so I had to convert it to the gas. And you have your furnace here in pretty good shape, and you can see the basement. It's pretty good height. Basement, and right here you could probably add you could put the laundry over here, you could put the machine, and if you wanna maybe make, I don't know, a man cave or extra space for the kids, maybe you can make it here in the basement. I mean, the height is pretty decent, really high. I mean, it's over, I would say probably over 6 feet height for the basement. So next, let's check out the outside. Before we end this tour, I want to show you the outside. You can go to outside from the kitchen. You have this door, and there's actually a nice little porch. Nice little porch here. Pretty cool. You could put like a sofa, or you just want to hang out. And here you have the outside. Like I told you, you have all these trees around it. So maybe you might have to trim the trees every summertime. I don't know if the city here in Cape Cod, if they make you trim all the trees. But I mean, you could probably get rid of some of the trees to kind of have more space if you need to. I mean, you still have decent size, and it does need some work if you want to put like grass, because I can see that it's, you know, all you have here is like dirt, so there's not like the grass. You don't really have the grass, and that's the back side of the house. And here you have a little shed over there for extra space, and then over there you have the driveway. So you have the driveway, and if you need more space to park more cars here, you can park more cars here. Again, like I said, this house is for someone that, you know, it's not a big family, or if you're looking to retire, then this is a perfect house, a good space. But if you're a big family, if this, for some reason, this is not the house you're looking for, you can always reach out to us, and then we can find you something else. We get houses all the time. And guys, the only thing I ask is if you could give this video a like. And you know, it takes me a lot of the time to kind of do these videos and show you the houses and the areas. I would appreciate if you give this video a like, and if you have any question, reach out to me. Until then, I'll see you on the next home tour or community tour. Peace.